Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the magnifying glass option or application on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To enable our magnifying glass, you have to go to the settings, next accessibility features, and here we have accessibility and magnification. Now it's off by default. To turn it on, we tap this box here. We have a couple of options. We can go full screen or partial. We have partial at the moment, so let's try it out. We have to activate this option, we have to tap 3 times on the screen. And our magnifying glass is here. We can use applications by clicking through the glass. It's not a problem. To turn the glass off, 3 times tap, the same. Accessibility, to turn it off, magnification, and now it's off like it was by default. I hope you find it helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.